If you own a rental property or thinking about it, today I'm going to show you how I went from spending 140 hours a year managing my rental properties to barely spending any time on it using a power tool called Baselane. As you grow as an investor and you get more properties, so let's say this is 1 property, 2 properties, 10 properties, 20, 100, 1,000. As you get more properties, your time to do bookkeeping and managing and all the things that come along with it go up. This is either a linear relationship or it's an exponential relationship, meaning it gets significantly harder the more properties you have, especially with things like bookkeeping, where you are spending a lot of time doing the work yourself, if that's you, and there's so many transactions happening from one property and another property, it gets a lot harder to start categorizing each thing by each property. So I want to go over the different levels of what it's like to be an investor and what you end up doing with your bookkeeping and management, and to show you what you can use Baselane for in order to save a lot of time every single year. Level 1 is where most people start at, and I call this the spreadsheet method. The spreadsheet method is what you do when you're starting out. You find out that, oh, I'm doing real estate, so now I need to file my taxes differently than what I was doing with just a W-2 job. They got a lot more complex. I have income and expenses I need to track. And you typically find this out after your first year of doing this. Either you're working with an accountant or you're not, but typically you end up pulling up a spreadsheet and you start jotting down every single expense that you have on your property, and you have to write out every single category that it belongs to. And if you only have one property, then you can associate all these to one. But if you have different properties, then it can get more complex because you need to start associating each one with each property. Now, this is how I started out, and this is what caused me to spend so much time in the beginning. Level 2 is when you start saying, okay, I don't want to spend all this time all at once. And so you do tracking throughout the year, but you still are doing it with the spreadsheet. So you maybe have a spreadsheet for each property now, or maybe you're doing it once a quarter or once a month to keep on top of things a little bit more. But this is still super time consuming, right? But it might not be as time consuming as this because you've broken it down to smaller steps, it's actually faster to do because you can keep track of what's been going on in your rental portfolio. Now, level 3 is you're like, I can't keep doing this myself anymore. So you hire a bookkeeper and you typically review the work. Now, you've saved a lot more time this time because you got a bookkeeper, but as time goes on, you still need to do a little bit of it because you need to review make sure the bookkeeper's categorizing everything, especially in the beginning. You need to explain a lot of things about your business, and you still need to spend some time reviewing the work. But a bookkeeper can cost $60+ an hour. So as you keep going from level 1 to 2 to 3, your time goes down, but our money goes up. Well, what if there was a way that you could actually reduce all of this and cut all of this out? And then we'll call this level 4, which is using Baselane. You can have checking accounts and high yield savings accounts that have all of your property transactions, have them by property, LLC by LLC, which is perfect for you as you scale and get more properties, just like I was showing before. And they have things like auto tagging to help you be able to tag things to save you tons and tons of time. And then you spend a little bit of time reviewing it just like you would with the bookkeeper, but also saving you the money you would be spending on the bookkeeper every single month. Let's dive into Baselane so I could show you a lot of the features and you can check it out. And if you're interested in signing up for it, there's a link down below to sign up for a free account. It's what I use for my rental portfolio. All right, so it's pretty simple. Head over to Baselane. You use the link down low to get my link. You go to sign in. So I have 2 LLCs that you can see here. These 2 accounts are completely separate. And what's amazing about this is that as a real estate investor, as you continue to scale and you have different partnerships, right? I have one partnership where it's me, my dad, and my brother, one partnership where it's me and my dad. But with each partnership, and as I continue to expand, I can put them all in here. So I can get a quick high level overview of the LLC. It's super simple to do that. That was a huge struggle I had before when I was using any other accounts. Now, you can also create a new property account in as little as 4 minutes. It's super simple. I can go to properties and I can add a new property here. It's a single family, 52 Baselane, and it is a 4-bed, 1-bath, about 1,100 square feet. Create the property. You can set up rent collection. Now it's in here. That's how quickly you can be able to categorize something by property. Now, I want to take a quick step back and tell you guys a little bit about how my whole portfolio works. So I have these 2 LLCs for the rentals, and I have 1 property in 1 LLP and the rest in the other LLCs. Now, for most of them, the property managers get paid by the tenants. And then the property managers deduct all their expenses, and then whatever comes out afterwards comes in here. But then there's other ones where we get the rent and the property managers pull them out afterwards. So no matter what my setup is, it can be super flexible. So I can have a setup where I am the property manager. I can have a setup where I have a property manager and the tenants pay me rent, but then the property manager deals with everything else. It's super flexible, which is amazing because as you scale, you might have these different partnerships, but also in each partnership, you might have different things. And so Baselane can scale with you, which is amazing. Now, as soon as you log in, there's this section here called cash flow. This is a quick way to quickly see, hey, am I down for the year? So let's go back into the main transactions portion here. You can go manage automations, and then you can automate the property tagging. I can link which properties are associated with which bank account, which is important for which properties are under one LLC versus another LLC. There's another feature called upload receipts where you can literally upload a receipt and it'll automatically attach the receipt to a transaction that's in the bank account. So this way, if you ever were to get audited, you have the receipts to back up each transaction. All these new features came out super recently and they've been investing so much in their product, which is why I really believe in Baselane long-term as a product that will continue getting better and continue being the #1 tool for real estate investors. It's super simple to create simple reports. Let's go year to date. So I can see each month what my revenue coming in was and what my expenses were every single month. As someone who has been investing for 6 years and I'm more of the numbers guy when I'm starting out, I like analyzing deals. I'm not someone who is the type of guy who will spend all this time afterwards looking at my property, seeing how they're performing down to the T. But after speaking with some people, I know that this is what I need to be doing now. And the best part about this is I don't have to like build out a spreadsheet to do this. I don't have to manually import a bunch of things. I have it all here. And Baselane makes it super simple for me to do this. And then I can literally download it into a PDF and boom, right here. Super simple. We have multiple options here. You can do rent roll, tenant ledger, Schedule E. As I mentioned, you can also do a lot more with Baselane. You can do things like actually manage properties. We got tenant screening. You can literally set up tenant screening built in. If you wanted to all-in-one do some tenant screening, you can set this up. Boom. Right there. You can set up lease agreements for a specific state and it'll customize it specifically for you. It creates templates and all that. You can collect rent in as fast as 2 days, which is insane. Not only that, built into the platform, they have partners with insurance to help you get insurance on a property and they can help you get loans. And so it's like, imagine if your integrated banking platform helped you get financing on a property. They got conventional DSCR, fix and flip loans. It saves you so much time having all these things in one place. Now, I want to go over the pricing real quick. The free version gets you the checking and savings accounts that earn up to 2.63% APY. This rate will change as the Fed changes their rates. You get physical and virtual debit cards, so you can actually buy things outside of online. You get FDIC insurance up to $3 million. You get all of those income and expenses tracking that I talked about. You get the tax package and the Schedule E reports, and you can automate the rent, reminders, and late fees. Now, if you want to pay $20 a month, you can do the auto tagging that I just showed you, literally way worth $20 a month because a bookkeeper costs $60 an hour. For $20 a month, you can have AI tag it and you just overlook the AI and then have the AI auto receipt matching and storage. They'll have automated transfers on low accounts. So if your account balance is low, it automatically transfer from another account to help save you from something bouncing. You get the rent collection in as quick as 2 days. You can share access and you get extra support, all for $20 a month. And you can start with the free trial using my link. And on top of this, to make this whole thing even sweeter, they're giving you a $100 sign-in bonus if you sign up, create an account, and deposit $500. So the $500 is to be in your account for at least 30 days. Once it's in there for 30 days, sometime between now and December 31st of 2026, so you still have a full year, you can do that and get $100. That's literally a 20% return on your money for holding the money in your bank account for 30 days. Nothing will beat that. So click the link below and get started.